In this video, I will show you how to buy Ton in Bitget Wallet. So to do this, just go and open up Bitget Wallet and then go and click on Wallet at the bottom. Now here, just go and click on the search icon and search for Ton. Now whether you own any or not, you should see it right here, and then just go and click on it. And from here at the top right, click on Buy. And then you can select P2P trading or buy crypto. Now the fees are lower on the P2P trading, but usually the buy crypto is faster. So I'll just buy crypto right now. They can enter your currencies. For me, it's actually euros. I'll just change it to euro right here. And then you can choose how much you want to do, for example, 10 euros. And then right now there are no available quotes. So for example, if I do more, for example, 100, then there are quotes and you can see how much each of them will give you and what payment methods you can use. So for example, I'll do this one, Garderian, and you can click confirm. And then it's going to take you to the website where you can then actually pay for it. So you just need to enter some details, then click confirm and just choose your payment method, etc. And then you have bought the Ton in Bitget Wallet. So now you know how to buy Ton in Bitget Wallet. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.